Welcome, in front of me is a Huawei Y6 from 2019, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from your SD card to the device and vice versa. Now to get started, let's open up the Files app, which I need to find it. I'm not exactly sure where it is. There we go, Files, right over here. So let's tap on it, and once it loads up, you can see that there's a tab right here for categories. So let's go into it. I'm gonna disregard the update here, it doesn't really change anything. So from the categories, you will have both of your storage, the internal and the SD card. I'm gonna start with the internal, and in here we will have a lot of folders, as you can see. There we go. So key thing to keep in mind, photos, videos captured with the device will be in the DCIM folder. Then below that you have pictures folder, which will contain screenshots. And then another important folder is the downloads folder, which will contain anything that I have downloaded either through your email, web browser, whatever the case may be, the files will be here. And then the rest of the folders usually are empty, assuming you haven't saved anything there yourself. So let's open up my files, which are in the DCIM. As you can see, those are my pictures that I will use as an example. You want to find whatever it is that you want to move or copy, and once you do and see it, simply hold your finger over one of them. As you can see, it becomes selected with that blue check mark right here, and you can tap on additional ones to add more of them. Now you also have the option to select all by tapping right over here if you have entire folder full of photos, or by going back and selecting the entire folder along with all of its content. Same way. So once you selected whichever way you prefer, choose one of the options, copy or move. Copy will create additional sets of the same files, while move will completely remove the files from where they are right now and move them to a new location. So I'm gonna go with move. And once you select one of them, that's about it in terms of this process. So we need to now navigate to a location that we want to move them to or copy them to. So I'm gonna go back into the SD card right here, and I'm just gonna drop it right over here. So once you're in that desired location, simply tap on move, and there we go. As you can see, there's the camera folder now, inside of it 4 or 3 photos. And if I go back to the internal storage, you will see that in the DCIM there's nothing in here anymore. That's because it's now on the SD card. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.